The power of 5 a.m. Here is a motivational story about waking up at 5 a.m. Rohan was a 19 years old college student who often felt tired, unmotivated, and distracted. He spent most nights scrolling on his phone and waking up late in the morning. As a result, his studies suffered and he always felt like he was falling behind in life. One day, Rohan met his college professor who noticed his low energy and poor performance. The professor smiled and said, "If you want to change your life, start by changing your morning." Rohan confused. "My morning?" he asked. The professor replied, "Yes, try waking up at 5 a.m. for just 21 days. Your life will completely transform." That night, Rohan decided to try. The next morning, his alarm rang at 5 a.m. It was cold and dark outside. His bed felt warm and comfortable. He wanted to sleep again, but he remembered his professor's words. Slowly, he got up. At first, those early mornings were very difficult. He felt sleepy and lazy, but he continued waking up at 5 a.m. every day. He started going for a morning walk. The fresh air, the quiet streets, and the rising sun gave him a strange sense of peace. After a few days, he added small habits. He started reading books for 1 hour every morning. He revised his lessons and made notes. His mind became sharper and more focused. He stopped wasting time on his phone at night and slept earlier. Within 2 weeks, Rohan noticed a big change. He felt more energetic throughout the day. His confidence improved. He started understanding his subjects better than before. His teachers also noticed his improvement. One morning, while sitting under a tree at 5:30 a.m., Rohan realized something important. Success is not about luck, it is about discipline. The quiet early mornings had changed his mindset completely. After 1 month, Rohan became one of the top students in his class. His friends were surprised and asked him, "What changed you?" Rohan smiled and said, "I didn't change my life in a big moment. I just started waking up at 5 a.m." He continued his habit and even inspired others to follow the same routine. The moral of the story is small habits done consistently can change your entire life. Waking up early gives you time, focus, and success. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.